Hey, what's up internet? Another random video here that may help someone out with a similar problem. This video shows how we fixed a canopy frame that was destroyed by rainy, windy weather. I was debating whether or not to make this since it's only relevant to a few, but hey, why not? This fix is only good if you're using a canopy on a fixed location. If you're always moving it around and taking it apart, you're better off getting a new frame entirely. I didn't get any pictures of my canopy frame while it was in a destroyed state because honestly, I didn't think I'd be making a video about it. I only have pictures of it after it was fixed, but here are some pictures I found on Amazon that shows pretty much the same damage my canopy took. That happened to two of the major pieces of my canopy frame which held the roof portion. Anyways, it's kind of obvious on how to fix, which is just getting a long rod to hold it into place. Like when someone breaks a bone, sometimes the metal rod is put outside of the cast to prevent the bone from moving around while it heals. The same concept applies here. Find a long stick that can support the broken piece. To better illustrate, I'll show the inside of the canopy after it got fixed. For this piece that got broken two places in the corner and middle, we used a long wooden stick that was randomly in the yard and held it to the broken frame with ties. Here's a close-up of the broken middle. Close-up of the broken edge. You need to get strong ties for a job like this, not ties that you would use for computer wiring. There's nylon ties found on Amazon that are 100 per pack for $10, with the tensile strength on some around 120 pounds, which is more than enough to hold the wooden piece into place. You can even use a steel rod instead of wood for even more durability. Even if part of the frame is broken in half, as long as it retains its original length, it can be held back together this way. And now the other major piece that broke into two due to the weather is the topter that holds the canopy roof cover. Here we used a metal rod that was randomly found in the yard, held together by ties. This piece does not have as much of a bend as the other, even though the middle literally broke into two, which you can kinda see here. The longer the piece, the better it holds. Try and get a rod that goes well past the center joint to hold together the broken part. I don't know the science behind it, but I think by doing that it can resist more tension and compensate for the broken part. So yeah, it's a hassle and expensive to rebuy a new canopy frame. If yours breaks down, especially if it's in a fixed location, might as well give this a try. You can see in the inside it's mostly intact. Also, the reason why there's wires on the left holding the canopy roof is because I bought one where it wasn't long enough to reach. So rather than returning it, I just improvised and now it's being held together by the wire with the right sized canopy roof on top of it. You can see the canopy frame is fully intact, holding the cover perfectly. Here's an outside view of the canopy and its enclosure. Looks good? Also note, if you're gonna try to fix this, as with most things in life, do it at your own risk. And I'm not responsible for anything that happens. All I know is that this has worked for me and this canopy has already survived several rainstorms without coming apart. In fact, it might even be more solid than it was before. I'm thinking about buying more roofs to stack on top of the current ones for future heavy rainstorms. I want this little makeshift shed to last. What do you think? Will stacking canopy roofs increase its lifespan and make it less likely to rip during heavy rain or winds? If you got the answer to that, please leave it in the comments. And that's it. Special thanks to my dad and uncle for basically doing all the work. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to press that like button, or even better, subscribe so I can get my sub count up. And thanks for watching.